Dear recruiter, as Naukri has launched an OTP-based login for the safe and secure login to your employees' accounts, you all might be in the process of setting up the same. As the first step, the sub-user has to migrate his current username to a valid email ID, which then needs to be verified by the sub-user himself. We have already created a video for the same by the name of Process to set up an OTP-based login to your employee's account. For learning more about it, you may watch the same in the same channel. In next step, this verified email ID has to be approved by the main or the admin user of the account. Through this video, you will learn how the admin user can approve this migration. There are two ways to do the same. The first way is pretty simple. In this, as soon as a sub-user enters the email ID and verifies the same, the master user will get an email with the approval link. Have a look at the same email. He has to just click on this and validate and complete the process. The other way is to approve the same from the master user's account. For that, I have already logged into a master user's account. I'll take my cursor to this human-like icon here and click on Manage Sub-User section. Here, you will see a pending section. Click on it. This section will show you two kinds of users. One, the sub-users which have already entered a valid email ID to migrate, and you as a master user has to just approve the same. Take your cursor here. You will see an option of approve. Click on it to complete the process. The respective user would be successfully migrated. However, in case the sub-user has entered a wrong email ID, the main user can do the necessary changes. He can do the same by clicking on Edit option, make the necessary changes, and click on OK. Post this, the sub-user will receive a verification email on the provided email ID and he has to click on it for completing the process. Till the time the sub-user verifies this change, he would be visible here in this section. Please note, after the successful completion of the entire process, an intimation email will be sent to the master user and the respective sub-user. Also, the username will be migrated to a newly added email ID within 24 hours. Post this, the user is required to log in with the new email ID as one's username for accessing the account. And that is all about it. Thank you for watching this video. For any further queries, you may contact us on these helpline numbers or email us at support@naukri.com.